Hello lovelies. So today I wanted to do a hair tutorial, a more in-depth one of literally one of my most viral videos on TikTok, and it's this one right here, just because I got a lot of questions on like how I did it, how I do my bun, which is like probably like my most top question, which I don't know why. I really just throw it up there, but you guys will see how I do it in this video. So yeah, I'm just going to recreate that. I have to wait for my hair to dry, obviously. But I was gonna show you guys what I put in it beforehand. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, this is the stuff that I used in my hair. It is the CRIOLA Curl Cream, and I will link it below so that you guys can get it. Actually, this is probably my top asked question, is where this cream is from. So yes, it'll be linked below and you guys can get yours. Please blow her up with purchases. She is a small business company and I just absolutely love her and her company and everything that she sells. It's so good. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair while it's wet. And I just kind of like comb it like through my hair, just like that. And then I'll get like a little bit of extra product and kind of like pat it on the top of my hair, because you never want to get like a leave-in conditioner or something like on your scalp. I mean, if you do, like, it happens, but like just try not to rub it into your scalp because that can cause a dried out scalp. So yeah, I just kind of rub it through, run it through, brush it through, who knows. So yeah, I think that's good enough. Shake it out. And then I have my handy dandy towel here. Do I have a microfiber towel? No. Should I get one? Probably, but this has worked for me my entire life, so I don't think there's any harm in it. I'm just gonna scrunch it up so we can get the curlies for the bun that I'm gonna do later. Okay, that is that for that process, and then we just wait 8 hours for my hair to dry because it takes forever. Yeah, see you in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. My hair is not fully dry, but it's partially dry, which is fine because it was partially dry in that video that I made. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so the items that I use are some elastic bands, my handy dandy bristle brush, and then a parting comb. Hair is not really parted. Put it down the middle. Okay, good enough. Alrighty, and then you're gonna part a section. Make sure you have like enough hair in it for like a little braid. But so yeah, that's the section that I parted. And then you're just gonna mirror it by like parting it the same place. Okay. Cool. I think that's the same amount of hair. I don't know. Who knows? Okay. But so, and then what I did next was I took the front of my hair and I just started twisting it this way. Okay, and then I twisted it until it was like at like the end. Like right there. Hold it tight there. Grab your elastic and Tie that baby up. And then this part I just braided. So pretty easy. I'm just gonna braid it. And with this braid, you don't have to put an elastic at the end if your hair doesn't hold well. With braids, then obviously you can put it in there, but personally I don't, just because when my hair is braided, it holds by itself. Okay, and then it's gonna look just like this. And then I'm gonna do this side. Same thing. Twist your hair. Into, whatever. Just twist it in there. Okay, twist it into the bottom. Elastic. Brush this part out so that I can braid it. Okay, and that is both sides done. And then I start brushing my hair back to get it ready for the bun. The moment of truth, my bun. I literally just tuck and wrap until it's like tight, I guess. I don't know. And then I just pull. You know? Until I feel like the bun is like where I want it to be. I feel like that's fine. Okay, and then for these, I just take them and I wrap them around the back, and then I like tied it around my bun basically. Took a bobby pin, wrong way, and then just pin it in there. And then same thing with this one. And then I have to do my edges. I do have a edge tutorial now on my YouTube, so it's easier for you guys to find rather than it being on my Instagram or my TikTok. So you guys can go check that out if you're interested in how I do my edges. Okay, and then this is the final product. Here's the back. Super cute. It's super easy. I know seeing it on TikTok makes it seem like it's impossible because it's just like a 30-second video, but it's super easy and something that you guys can do at home. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with more in-depth hair tutorials.